Guys, I'm going to show you how to check for leaks and test the heater for the trailers. So, first thing you do, you're going to grab this hose. Now this hose is either found in the floor storage or you can find it underneath the sink. So you'll pull this hose out. Now, important thing about this hose, you will have, if the hose has a stove and a heater, you will have a hose for the heater and a hose for the stove. So make sure that if you've got a stove and a heater, you've got a hose for each of them. So you come back here, you're going to plug this end into the heater. You're going to grab your test propane tank. You're going to connect this. Now, after this is connected, you're going to open the propane. You're going to grab the leak detector. Now, this leak detector is really just soapy water. So you can use, when you run out of this, you can just use soapy water. You're going to grab this spray. Now, the spray on this is broken, so just get the spray bottle off of an empty bottle or something, stick it in here, and then you're going to spray right here where that tape is, right here. You're going to spray right in here. I'm going to spray right there. We assemble this entire line, so we want to make sure it's free of leaks. You're also going to spray right in there. And the line goes under the trailer. And you can see it running right there. Over here near the axle, there is another spot you will need to test. Let's see if I can catch it on camera. Right there. So you'll need to spray right in there. That needs to get tested, and then it comes up into the floor. And you will need to test. This right here. So after you've opened up the gas, you're going to spray those areas with the leak detector and see if they bubble up. If they bubble up, you've got a leak. And the bubbles are not little bubbles. You'll see big bubbles. Looks like a baby drooling bubbles. Now to test the heater, come in here. You'll press this button. Now, the display should look like this, where it's got an RV, a little fan. Sometimes it only has this timer and the tools. If that happens, you just rotate this dial till you get to the tools. When you see the tools, press the button. Rotate it all the way until it says reset. Press the button, and then you'll press the button again. It's resetting the system. Now, after it's been reset, you can come in here, come on, select the RV, and set it all the way up. 86, I believe. Enter. Now you're going to get some ice from the freezer and hold it over this sensor. This sensor, when it gets cold, will turn the heater on. The hot air is going to come from that circle vent right there. You can hear it coming out. You're going to wait here until you feel the air get hot. Once you get hot air, then you know you're good. If the display has an error code, it'll say E and some numbers, or it looks weird other than what it looks like right now, that means there's a failure. Typically, there's a gas leak. If you get one of those errors, you need to fail the option. You need to contact me or let an engineer or Devin know. If you have any more questions, just let me know. Oh, don't forget to disconnect everything, put the propane bank back, and put this hose back where it goes in the trailer.